We've been looking at equations for a while, and one of the things we think we know about equations is that often they are written, say, 4 plus 3 equals 7. We can also write them 7 equals 4 plus 3. So we have these pictures here of these hanging things, balances, scales, um, mobiles, if you want. And this represents the equation. And this part over here is what you would typically have thought of as the answer. And it's in what we think of the usual place. This over here represents the operation that we're using. And it's on the left, like we're used to seeing it. And I have some equations at the bottom to fill in. And I have this number x here, which is my variable, which is whatever I want it to be. I just don't know what it is yet. And I think about if this is this equaling 6, so is it something plus 3? And I don't have 3 boxes, so it can't be something plus 3. But if I go to the next one and I look at 3 times something is 6, and I go back up here and I think, I have 3 boxes, or three x's. And if I say 3 times x, that does indeed get me to 6. And so I would put the x in this box. And I can think of this another way. By noticing that for every x, I have 2 of those. And there's my balance. Now, I can also look at this one. This one is the flip version of where we have a quantity and we have the equation part on this side. And in this case, I have a couple of z's. It looks a lot like this one. Looks like a lot like x. And I wonder if I circle these, if I'm going to get the same thing. And yes, I do. So I know that 6 is going to equal 3 times. So my z is going to go in this box. Now I can also come back here and look at the other ones and say, well, let's see. So I know just because I have my equation on the left and I have a total on the right, that this box is probably going to be y. But let me check it just to be sure. So if I have y plus 3, so I do have, here's my y, and I have my 3 more. So y plus 3 does equal 6. And then this one over here, I have a w and a 1. I can match these up. I've got that there. I can match up this little one here. They all match. So that will be w. So to kind of sum up, when you see these hangers, you're thinking about them as an equation. And your equal sign can be on either side, or your answer. The equal sign will always balance it out. This is your equal sign here. And you may have to figure out what's on the left or what's on the right.